Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angie Monique and I'm back with another video. Y'all miss me? Yeah, I'm sorry, but I am back with my everyday makeup routine. This is my go-to makeup routine and I felt it right for me to we going into a new season. We're entering like colder months and stuff like that, so I thought it was, beneficial for me to do this type of video. So yeah, brows are already done. But if you want to know the products that I use, as always, they'll be listed in the description box. But I am going to be talking you guys through this video today. Hopefully it won't be too long because I do have some other videos that I need to film. But if you want to know what my go-to makeup routine is, this is the video for you. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's just hop into it. Brows are on already, nothing changed there. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna prime my face. This is a new one, honey, because she's the girl. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I love her. She ain't going nowhere unless they discontinue it, which e.l.f., why would you do such a thing? Don't even let it cross your mind, okay? So we gotta get this all good and over the face and primed. Yes, honey. So I have missed y'all. I am that person. I am a real person, okay? So when I need a break, I need a break. But we ain't gonna go inside it. We ain't gonna go inside it. But yeah, life be life. Let me just say that. But yeah, okay. So foundations that I'm going to use. I'm going to take a new and an oldie. So this is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powdered Foundation. I'm in the shade NC50 in this. I'm going to take a little bit of this, and this is the GOAT. Like, I will forever continue to purchase this again as long as they keep making it. NARS, don't put it in your mind to discontinue this. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. So this gives me a little bit of matteness, but it's a soft matte finish. Really like this. It gives me a little bit of coverage, but this here, I've really been liking this as well. It's just hydrating in my opinion, so it kind of gives a little bit of hydration. So I'm gonna mix these two together. Y'all know last year I was on the kick of the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation mixed with this, but this is a go-to as well. So if you have this and have not tried it together, you should. I know, like I said, last year I was talking about the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation, which is still staple in my collection, okay? But today I've been obsessed. Okay, so like I said, I just take a little bit, one pump of this, and then like that, kind of mix those two together. I just love like what it looks like at the end, and y'all gonna see, y'all gonna be like, oh, we girl, come on, that is your skin. Yeah, I like that. Like I said, the feel of this one by itself is amazing. It's really good. But y'all know, if you're trying to get use out of your products, the best way is to find what works good together and mix them, baby. Mix them, because you'll be surprised. And it's just melting into my skin, honey, as if it was mine. Well, it is my skin. Don't take too much on the forehead, but it looks like I said, it's not heavy at all. Even though we're mixing two foundations, you guys, it's not heavy. I'm not that girl, y'all know. I like a medium coverage over here. Just give me some balance, and oh my god, obsessed. Like I said, if you have the Makeup by Mario, it does the exact same thing. Still gives you like that glow, but it gives you coverage and still lightweight yeah. Okay, so this right here, this I'm in the shade medium deep 5 Marquise NC50 in the MAC. Really good. So my favorite concealers at the moment has been, I have gone back to this is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm in the shade Maple, but I have been obsessed with this. When you want like full coverage, this is going to give you that. But I also liked the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, as well as my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. These two are not going anywhere. They're affordable, they get the job done, they work just as good as any high-end concealer. Yeah, but lately I've been obsessed with this. So like I said, this is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is super coverage, so a little bit of this goes a very long way, but I like the way that it's been giving me that full, almost kind of like full glam effect, but it don't feel like a whole bunch on my face, because we don't like that. Right there, and a little bit right there. I'm gonna prep my powder. I have been obsessed with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 30 Medium Deep. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing, because you're gonna be real surprised. So, to blend out my concealer, yeah, we've been using brushes. So this is the tapered foundation brush, but it gets the job done with concealer as well. And I'm gonna show you what we do. And it just gives you that extra coverage. I still take it on my eyes, just do it like that, and just blend it into the lid. But start at the bottom and then make your way up toward the eye, because you still want, like I said, that coverage. You don't want to move the concealer or lift the concealer onto your brush. You want it to stay on your face and give you that coverage. Like that. Do the chin area. And the reason that I've been doing this is because, like I said, I felt like my sponges was picking up most of my products. So with that foundation brush, go over those edges. Don't put no more foundation on it, just go over those edges. And it's gonna look so good. Now I also have been taking these little triangular powder puffs. Tap off the excess, go in. You can pick a little bit more up. Just make sure you're tapping out that excess before you pressing it into that concealer. Take whatever's left, press it into the forehead, around your mouth area, and your chin. Alright, this has not changed. I'm still a powder baby. Like, I have to set my entire face. This is my makeup said, this is my makeup. This is my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark. And softly go over everything. This has just been doing it for me, y'all. I still have not gotten used to like liquid blushes and underpainting and all that type of stuff, because this just works for me. This works for me. It gets the job done. I can glam this up, like I said, depending on my products. I can glam this same routine up. I can, you know, dumb it down if I want to do that as well, like not have so much coverage, but it works every single time. Every time. All right, blush, nope. Bronzer, nothing has changed. Y'all see it? Nothing has changed. So I find my brush though. So this has not changed. I just go in on the forehead. I will always be that girl that just loves a nice bronze look. I think it eats every single time. You look so put together, so natural. Like, I'm just that girl. I just don't think you can overdo it with bronzer. I think it makes the look, in my opinion. We're gonna take that top shade, throw this into the lid, and blend it up into the crease. I've told y'all this before, this is the laziest eyeshadow look ever, but it eats. When I say the laziest, it's the laziest. And I have eyeshadow palettes, but it eats. I just don't think like that natural bronze look is ever going to go out of style. Y'all know how like some looks can be trendy, like cut creases I feel like was a trend. You just, natural looks I just don't think are ever gonna go out of style. They're timeless. Who doesn't love to look like themselves, but a little bit of them? Okay. Yep. So what we're gonna do is get off of me. That's what I'm gonna do. So now we're going to, I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna take my Fenty liner. Not a whole lot, but kind of just enough. Yeah, enough. And literally, like I've said this before, my makeup routine is very it's not time consuming, okay? So you can probably get through this in like 15 minutes, like still, even with a full glam. Now you can apply lashes to it. Like I said, you can glam this up, like real glam it up. I might do that, but I don't know. God's been praying on me with these lashes. Whew. Yeah, we still praying about them lashes. We praying about it. I don't know. I just been, y'all know me. I love my naturalness. Just a little elevated. Just a little elevated. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. This is my MAC Sweetest Cocoa blush. Love this for this time of year. It just, and it has a little bit of shine to it, and I just kind of marry it into my bronzer. Cute. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit more of my powder. spray my face. This is not going anywhere either. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, so let's do a lip. I'm gonna take the LYS Speak Love lip pencil in the shade Devoted. It's just a chocolate brown. Okay, nothing has changed, still a gloss girl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take two of Fenty glosses. One is the Gloss Bomb Heat and Hot Chocolate. The other one is gonna be the Gloss Bomb Cream and Honey Waffles. And then I also have this Juvia's Place Bronzed Sugar. I know, it's a lot, but trust the process. Trust the process. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Hot Chocolate. This just gives me that 90s vibe, like, oh my god, yeah, we used to wear our lips like this and be cute, real cute. All right, so this is the cream. I like to take most of the product off because I just really want some of this color. Kind of marry it into that brown gloss. And then take a little bit of my bronze sugar, and once again getting most of that product off. Yeah, it just gives that 90s vibe. Okay, let me do my lashes. Okay, so just for a reference, for my lashes, I used the Fenty. Got a few. All right, so I started out with the Fenty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. First coat was that. Second coat was the Milk Kush Mascara. And then on my bottom lashes, I like to use the, what is this? Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions mascara. Really like this. I've had this for quite a while and it still does an amazing job with my lashes. If you struggle with like false lashes and you want your lashes to look really good, try doubling up your mascara, mixing things. Okay, makeup is trial and error. Okay, mix some stuff, you'll be surprised what you like. Okay, all right my love, so that concludes today's video. This is my go-to makeup look. I love it. Like I said, it eats every single time. It gets the job done. You can glam this up if you want to. If you want it to be a little bit more extra, you can add like some shimmer on the lids. You can do a different color lip. Nude lips just eat, in my opinion. You know, I don't think that, like I said, it's timeless. This is a very timeless look. Okay, timeless. So as always, those products that I use will be in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.